Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get the circle crosshair in Rivals. First, you need to navigate to your game's settings menu. Look for the section dedicated to crosshair or reticle customization. This is where you will find all the tools to modify your aiming reticle. Our goal is to transform the standard crosshair into a clear, effective circle for improved gameplay. Once in the crosshair settings, begin by disabling any existing lines or bars that form a traditional cross. Next, locate the dot or center option. Enable this feature and change its shape to round. Increase the dot's thickness to your preference, perhaps to a value of 3 or 4, to make it a prominent circle. You can also adjust its size to be small or large. For advanced customization, experiment with the circle's size and any inner gap settings to find what feels best. Many players find a contrasting color, such as bright pink or green, helps the crosshair stand out against various backgrounds. Also, consider if you prefer a static crosshair that remains fixed or a dynamic one that reacts to your movement, which can be adjusted in the settings. After setting up your circle crosshair, it is crucial to test it in different game modes and scenarios. Play several matches to get a feel for it. If it feels too big or too small, return to the settings and make adjustments. The perfect crosshair is a personal preference, so do not hesitate to refine it until it significantly enhances your aiming and overall gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.